The future demands foolproof flood water management to fight the increased risks from flash flooding brought on by global climate change. ViaCon storm tanks provide a strong flood prevention system to easily manage floodwater, potentially preventing flooding from happening in the first place. The system works by collecting floodwater through drainage channels. The excess water is expelled into the sewage network or back into the groundwater. Using the system, you can defy the limits of a standard urban drainage system to ensure that water doesn't collect and damage the surroundings.